After 60, the body starts to change. You may feel weaker. You get tired faster. Lifting things feels harder. Studies show something serious between age 60 and 80. We can lose up to 30% of muscle. This can happen even if we stay active. This muscle loss is quiet, but it is dangerous. It makes daily life harder. It increases the risk of falling. It weakens the immune system. It takes away independence. Here is the good news. You can rebuild muscle. You can become stronger again. You do not need a gym. You do not need expensive supplements. In Japan, many people in their 70s and 80s stay active. They garden, they ride bicycles, they even dance. Food plays a big role in this. They eat simple foods. The foods are cheap and easy to find. The foods are high in protein. These foods help muscles stay strong. Today, I will share 7 Japanese foods. You can find them in most grocery stores. They can help you feel strong and steady. They work at any age. If you feel weaker, it is not your imagination. After 60, muscle loss speeds up. We can lose up to 3% of muscle each year over 10 years. That is a lot of strength. This condition has a name that is called sarcopenia, but it is not just a medical word. People feel it every day. Standing up becomes harder. Carrying bags feels tiring. Arms feel weak. Faster. These are not just signs of age. They are signs of muscle loss. One big reason is protein use. As we age, muscles react less to protein. This is called anabolic resistance. Protein that helped in your 40s helps less after leisure. The body now needs more protein. It also needs it more. Often lifestyle matters too. Many older people eat less food. They skip meals. They eat less protein. They also move less. Without food and movement, muscles shrink. Muscle is not just for strength. Muscle helps control blood sugar. It helps balance and posture. It protects bones. It supports the immune system. It helps you stay independent. Many patients say, I am just getting old. But often the real problem is low protein. The Japanese lifestyle shows a better way in Japan. Protein is eaten all day, not just at dinner. Breakfast may include fermented soy. Lunch may include fish and miso. Meals gently feed the muscles. They are not heavy. They are steady. In many Western countries, aging means weakness. People expect walkers and railings in Japan. Many 80-year-olds stay active. They bike, they clean their yards, they climb stairs easily. The difference is timing and balance. Protein is spread across the day. Meals are small, but regular. This helps muscles repair slowly and safely. Older bodies handle this better. Japanese meals have variety. They include soy, fish, seaweed, eggs, and grains. They avoid heavy processed food. This way of eating is called shokuiku. It means mindful eating. Food connects body and mind. Food is seen as healing. Movement is also part of life. People walk often. They garden. They squat. While cooking. Small movements happen every day. These movements keep muscles alive. They do not wait for decline. Now let's look at the foods. First is natto. Natto is fermented soybeans. It looks sticky and smells strong. Many people find it strange, but natto is very powerful. It is rich and complete. Protein. A small serving has about 8 grams of protein. It also has vitamin K2. This vitamin helps calcium go into bones. It keeps calcium out of arteries. This means stronger bones. It means healthier joints. It means fewer fractures. Natto also has probiotics. These help gut health. They help the body absorb nutrients. This is very helpful after 60. Digestion often slows with age in Japan. Natto is often eaten at breakfast. It is normal food, not medicine. Rice, natto, and simple toppings are common. Eating this way gives steady support. Muscles get gentle signals to stay strong.
One older man added natto to breakfast. At first, he did not like it. After a few weeks, his energy improved. His digestion improved too. He even gained lean muscle. Small gains matter a lot at this age. Studies support this. People who eat fermented soy have better muscle. Next is miso soup. Miso soup is warm and comforting, but it also feeds the body. Miso is made from fermented soybeans. It is aged for months or years. Fermentation makes nutrients easier to absorb. One bowl may not have much protein, but it is eaten often. This steady intake is the key. In Japan, miso is eaten daily. It can be eaten at any meal. Studies show lower muscle loss with miso. Blood sugar control is also better. Miso is very flexible. You can add tofu, you can add seaweed. You can add fish or mushrooms. It is light on the stomach. It is easy to digest. It is perfect for older adults. One woman drank miso soup daily. She felt less tired. Her blood pressure improved. She felt comforted from inside. Traditional foods work quietly. They help over time. Next are small fish. Sardines and anchovies are common in Japan. They are eaten often. These fish are rich in protein. They are easy to digest. They are eaten whole. This gives calcium and vitamin D. Bones and joints become stronger. They also contain omega-3 fats. These protect the brain. They reduce inflammation. They slow muscle loss. Small fish are cheap and simple. They're part of daily meals. One older man started eating sardines. He felt mentally clearer. He now eats them regularly. Small fish are kind to the wallet. They give big health benefits. Next is tofu and soy foods. Many older people eat less meat. Meat can feel heavy, but protein needs increase with age. Tofu helps solve this problem. Tofu is soft and easy to digest. It has complete protein. It also has iron and calcium. It supports muscles and bones. It also helps heart health. Tofu can be cooked many ways. It can be cold or warm. It absorbs flavor well. Other soy foods also help. Soy milk, tofu skin, and fried tofu are common. One woman switched to tofu soups. Her energy improved. Her muscle loss slowed. Japanese food values balance. It values steady care. This works better than extremes. Next are eggs. Eggs are simple and gentle. They are rich in protein. One egg has about 6 grams of protein. It also supports nerves and energy. In Japan, eggs are prepared lightly. They are steamed or rolled. They are not greasy. Eggs are often eaten at breakfast. Morning protein helps muscles more. Studies show this reduces muscle loss. One man changed his breakfast. He ate rice, vegetables, and eggs. He felt stronger. His focus improved. Eggs are easy to cook. They are easy to chew. They are perfect for older adults. Next is buckwheat soba. Soba is made from buckwheat. It is not refined wheat. Soba has protein and fiber. It is easy on digestion. It does not spike blood sugar. It also supports blood flow. It reduces inflammation. Soba is eaten hot or cold. It is part of tradition. It represents long life. One elderly woman said her secret was simple. She ate soba and walked daily. Soba is easy to find now. Choose 100% buckwheat when possible. Last is edamame. Edamame are young soybeans. They are bright, green, and tasty. 1 cup has a lot of protein. It also has fiber and minerals. Edamame is real food. No powders. No additives. It is filling but light. It is easy to prepare. In Japan, edamame is shared with others. Eating it slowly brings calm. One woman replaced cookies with edamame. Her energy improved. Her blood sugar became stable. Edamame is easy to find. Just heat and eat. If you reach this point, thank you. Getting stronger after 60 is possible. It is not about being young again. It is about steady care. Small choices matter. You do not need to eat all 7 foods. Start with 1. Let your body feel the change. You are not weak. You are rebuilding. Every meal matters. Every step matters.